Ano, no? Ano?
Siapa ya? Ada
Ada.
Teku namanya
Hey guys,
Hai Twita.
what are you guys talking about?
We are discussing for plan conversion.
Really? Let's
Yeah.
discuss together.
Alright.
Okay, before we start, let's clear something up. What do we really mean when we talk about land? I think the definition are super important. To me, land is not just the ground, it's space that can be used in many ways. Farming, housing, factories, or even just life natural.
Yeah, I totally agree. And when we talk about agricultural conversion, that's when farmland changes into something else, like highway, residential area, or a mall. It sounds like a progress, but honestly, it's got a big problems. One of them is a lack of food sufficiency. Less land for farming means less food for people.
True. And the problem becomes bigger because of the impact of population growth on food demand. More people are born every year. That means more houses, more schools, and more jobs are needed. But at the same time, they all need food. So land is pulled into direction.
That's the dilemma, right? Land is limited, but human needs just keeping growing. Sometimes people forget that food also comes from land, not just building or industries.
Exactly. If agricultural and conversion keeps happening, we'll depend more imports, and imports are not always reliable. Price can go up, or countries may stop selling if they need food themselves.
Right. And that's why legal regulation for preserving agricultural land is super important. Without laws, people just sell their farmlands to developer because the money is quick and easy. Farmers feel forced to give up because they earn less from farming compared to selling their land.
But let me ask you both, do you think development should stop completely? Because some people argue that we need more housing on industries to support the growing population.
I don't think it should stop, but it must be controlled. We can just take over fertile line, for example. In some countries, they build new cities on leased fertilized soil or even on reclaimed land. That way, farmland stay farmland.
Yeah, that's a good point. I think balance is the key here. The government should set strict zoning rules like if an area is already marked as agricultural, it can't be touched or for construction unless there's no other option.
That makes sense, and I also think education plays a role. Many people don't even know that turning a rice field into a mall can affect their future food supply.
Exactly. For most people, agricultural and conversion looks like modernization. They don't realize it's also a threat to food security.
Not to mention climate issue. When farmland disappears, the local ecosystem changes. It's not only about food, but also water balance, soil fertility, and even clean air.
So it's actually a generation land which affect food, environmental, and health.
Yeah, and it means if really face a lack of food sufficiency, poor family will suffer the most. Price will rise, and only the rich can afford the healthy food.
That's why legal regulations for preserving agricultural land should also come with social programs. For example, subsidies for farmers so they don't feel pressured to sell their land.
Good idea. But what about cities? Do you think urban farming can help?
Definitely, urban farming is a one solution. Rooftop garden, hydroponics, and vertical farming can reduce pressure on rural farmland.
Yeah, but it can't fully replace traditional agriculture. We still need large areas of farmland for stuff like rice, corn, and wheat.
True, but at least it can complement. Cities can produce vegetable and fruits, while villages focus on staples.
Another idea is smart technology. Farmers could use drones, sensors, and better irrigation to increase yield without needing more land.
And don't forget about recycling organic waste. Turning food waste compost can help farmers keep their soil fertility.
So basically, the solution is not just one thing. It's a mix of good definition and awareness from soil land use, like the regulation, smart technology, and education.
Exactly. If we combine all that, we can reduce unnecessary agricultural land conservation and prevent lack of food sufficiency.
Plus, we'll be better prepared for the impact of population growth on food demand. Because honestly, population won't stop growing anytime soon.
Agree. So maybe in the future, development and farmland can actually exist side by side instead of competing against each other.
Yeah, like living in harmony with the land.
Yeah, I like that. And maybe we should start with ourselves, support our farmers, buy local food, and spread awareness to the society.
That's a great point. Small action matter too.
True image. If every land valued farmland more, there will be less pressure to convert it.
Exactly. So instead of talking about problems, we're actually creating solutions together.
Nice. I guess we should call this our mini action plan.
Yeah, maybe someday we will even make campaign save our farmland.
Count me in. Let's make sure future generations don't suffer because of careless land use.
Yeah, I agree.
Duh!